Do you want to reveal your video with a dynamic falling bars animation in CapCut Mobile? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add falling bars reveal animation step by step. Let's now get started. First, open CapCut Mobile and tap New Project. Select the video or photo you want to edit, then tap Add to import it on your timeline. Tap on your video clip to open the editing tools. On the toolbar, tap the animation. You will see there are three categories: in, out, and combo. For this, go to the in section. Use the search button to search for breadsticks drop. Tap it to apply the animation. CapCut will instantly preview your video appearing through a series of falling bars. Now, use the duration slider to control how quickly the animation plays. After that, click on the check button. And it's time to preview your video. Tap the play button to preview the animation. In this step, you can make some adjustments. Once you're happy with the final result, tap export button at the top right corner of your screen. And that's it. That's how you add falling bars reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. Thanks for watching and happy editing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. God bless you.